In the world of business, either serious issues or opportunities lead to negotiations. You and your colleagues must prepare presentations, meetings, plans, and contracts. What language will you use? Hi, it's me, Dora from Bite Size English, and welcome to another fantastic episode. I'm here to give you a new bite of English about phrasal verbs to use in business negotiations. Look for phrasal verbs to use in business negotiations Part 1 for more useful vocabulary. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you never miss an episode. A colleague writes you a text. We need to deal with this proposal. We can understand that the presentation needs some work, yet the meaning of deal with also suggests that the presentation is a problem that needs to be solved. Deal with has a connotation that means a lot of work is needed, so you better be prepared. You reply, yes, there are a lot of conditions to meet before we work out a deal. What you said was, there's a lot of planning needed to create something that is detailed. Your colleague replies, the proposal's got to be so good that they'll take up our offer. A synonym for to take up is to accept, and the noun offer is a collocational noun to this phrasal verb. You agree with, I think we'll get them on our side, and we can draw up that contract without a problem. Decide on what the synonym of to draw up means. A, to draw lines on a contract. B, to cut up the contract. C, to write down a contract. It's of course C, to write down a contract in detail. Your colleague texts, you think so? Because we can't call off this negotiation. When a company really wants a deal to happen, what's something it'd like to avoid at all costs? A cancellation of the negotiations. To call off is to cancel. You text back, well, let's get to work and create something they can't walk away from. When people are in negotiations and one party doesn't accept the offer or rejects the deal, we say that they are walking away from it, even though we can see that they physically are still sitting at a table. It's a metaphor that works well with the idea of rejection. So now you've learned 6 new phrasal verbs. Where does your learning go from here? Well, we've got a worksheet for you to see if you've got how to use these phrasal verbs and also the phrasal verbs from Part 1. Just go to our website, bitesizeenglish.com, and in the Extra Bite section, you'll find a worksheet to help you review all 12 phrasal verbs. Got a comment? Please share it below this video. Remember to mention us to friends or family. Until next time, thanks for watching Bite Size English.